we have today is the mold is prepped. Fiberglass is getting laid into the mold. It's just laying in there. Carbon fiber is cut, just laying across the chair. Here is a we'll lay this back over. There we go. Carbon fiber. Here is a previous blade pulled out of the mold. We have a couple defects. As you can see, the blade widened out here, out at the tip. It's wider than it should be. If that blade in the mold there comes out the same as this one, what I'm going to end up doing is on this section right here where the blade actually swelled. Let's see, you can see it there in the camera. Where it actually swelled here, I'm going to take the Dremel. I'm actually going to Dremel a line all the way across here and I'm going to peel this section of carbon off the top of the blade, or off the bottom actually. But once that's removed, I can take and sand this foam layer down basically till it hits the next piece of skin, and at that point I'll be at the same thickness the original blade was. The top skin actually would be strong enough to hold the entire structure of the outside tip. It actually wouldn't be an issue to sacrifice this lower part at all. The main part, as long as it's holding structurally out to about the midpoint, most of your stress is going to be on this inner part anyway. So once you remove that outside, you're actually going to lose some weight out here at the tip, which actually will reduce the pressures on the hub. You can kind of see here also where I extended the blade. You can see there's a little bit of almost like a flap here at the back of the blade. That line is actually where the original blade was. And on the top you can kind of see it a little bit. You can see where the original blade was. But essentially it follows that same contour back. By doing that, I should increase the thrust of the blades a little bit. But yeah, you can see right there where it thickened up a little bit too. I'm actually not going to grind so much of that away on the back here, but I'm going to grind to the front pretty much all the way back to the top skin. By doing that, then I actually increase the pitch of the blade effectively also. So if I can match two blades together visually that they're going to be the same pitch, I should have a good amount of thrust. And yeah, you can see here's the hub portion of the blade. Construction and the hub is almost identical the way the original blade was made, but this will get ground a little bit here, sanded. It'll be ground flat here, not like completely flat, just flat so there's not a ridge, because there's a ridge right now. But once that ridge is gone, then there's going to be carbon fiber laid from essentially right here all the way around to about right here, and that'll encapsulate this whole hub. That way there's a cap, so when it's running, it won't be able to pull this pin through the side. It'll be coming up under compression the whole way. And compressive load is actually what this resin that I used for our core is actually very good in. It's a very good, because it's a 16-pound density urethane foam. But anyway, I will resin my parts together and I'll make another video quick.